So today we are set up at the Churches of Christ Queensland at Little Mountain, this beautiful new aged care home. It's the open day today and there's a lot going on here and we're doing some great gardening activities. I'm just going to pan down and show you. So up this end we have all the pots ready to go and some potting mix. And then we have all the seedlings ready. Laurie's here today. Hey Laurie! And everyone's coming along and enjoying all the potting activities. There's music, there's food, there's great coffee, and this amazing new facility here. There's some garden beds over here. I don't know if you can see them over the back there, which I will be potting up later, planting out later, sorry, for the residents that are moving in to enjoy some gardening activities. So it's a really fun day. It's nice and hot. Lots of people, lots of great music. You can see everything in the background. Oh, I've got to get that sun. And also our great activities here this morning. So it's a lovely day for everyone in the garden here at Little Mountain. Bye, back to the dirt.